In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Garry's mod on Mac. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, I want to make a quick disclaimer and say that as you can see, I am recording this video on my Windows computer. However, the process I'm going to show you in this video will allow you to play Garry's mod on your Mac computer. I'm simply doing this for the purposes of recording this tutorial or this guide. As you can see, the official way to play Garry's mod on a Mac is to get it from the Steam store. So download Steam on your computer by going to www.steampowered.com, and after you download the Steam client, you can look for Garry's mod. When you find Garry's mod in the store, you will be able to see it over here. It's going to be priced in your local currency, and you should be able to see the Windows icon, the Apple icon over here, and then another Steam icon. As you can see over here, this indicates that you can play this game on a Mac. If you scroll down, you will be able to see the system requirements, including the Mac OS requirements. As long as your PC meets either the minimum or recommended specs, you will be able to buy this game from Steam and play it directly through the client. So, after you download the Steam client, buy Garry's mod, you will be able to find it inside of your library over here. Look for Garry's mod, and then download the game. Select play, and the game will open up like so. You can then explore the Steam Workshop to download add-ons and start playing right away. You can select start a new game from the main menu, and as long as you meet the minimum requirements, the game will run on your Mac OS computer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Garry's mod on Mac. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.